So hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how I can afford meat in a very low budget. So stick around and you'll find out. Here I have chicken breast. It was $1.68 per pound, and I got all these chicken breasts over here. I stocked up on them, and right now I'm dividing them. I usually don't use this Ziploc bag. I use my my containers, but right now this is what I have available. Usually if the pork loin is big, I love this part just to make it like a kind of braise, and because it's very tender, this is one of my favorite parts. But since this one was a little bit smaller, I'm just, you know, throw it in here with the ones. With this one I can make sweet and sour pork, I can make broccoli pork, I can kind of make it in a red sauce if I want. It depends in the mood that I am and what I'm craving for. So I can make this in a lot of different dishes. So with this one, sometimes I chop it like in pieces, and I make my vegetables and pork with that one, like roasted vegetables and pork. And the same with this one. And if I am out of that one over there, I can just make this one, that one too as well. So there you have it, with $13, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meals for my family. And from this one, this is a little bit big, so I can cook whatever I'm planning to cook with this one, and I can have leftover, a lot of leftovers with that. I can make like soups and stuff like that too. So yeah, there you have it. So if I divide 13 by 5, that is $2 each, like $2 something each. Yep. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful, helpful, or at least entertaining for you guys. And see you next time. Bye.